Sometimes when we need to support you with an email issue or even help you setting up a new email address on your computer, we need to be able to connect remotely and take over control of your machine. To do that, we use a program that is called TeamViewer. This is a free program that you need to have downloaded from the internet, and I'm going to show you how to do that. Go to Google, as you see in front of you here in your browser, and then you simply type in TeamViewer, like so. Once you've done that, you click on download here in the search results from TeamViewer. That brings up this screen, and it's as simple as simply clicking the download TeamViewer button here, the green one. You will now see that a download process starts down here in the bottom left corner. Once that is complete, all you simply do is click on the little arrow next to it and say open. This will start the installation process of TeamViewer onto your computer. It will take a couple of moments and you simply accept the default installation here. Accept, next. Yes, you say yes here. Now let us do its thing. This could take a couple of moments while it extracts and downloads files. Just be patient while it's doing its thing. The last step in the installation process is this question here, and the answer is I only want to use TeamViewer for personal views. Then you click Finish. You will know that the installation is complete when this screen that you see now appears in front of you. This is a screen that we're going to be using later on when we actually do a remote control session. I'm going to show you how to start TeamViewer up after this point. So I'm going to close this down for a moment. When we contact you in the future and we want to set up email or investigate what's going on your computer, all you do on your computer, you go to the bottom here on the Windows search bar at the bottom and you type in TeamViewer, just like we did a few moments ago to install it. TeamViewer will now show you that it's available on your computer, and all you do is click here on Open. You will see now that it will open up the exact same logon screen that you saw a couple of moments ago. The information we need from you at this point is simply this bit here, your ID and your password. This will allow us to connect to your computer remotely and to take over the control of your computer. You can watch along on your computer screen while we do that and see what we are doing. It's very important though that you do not work on your computer at the same time as we are busy connecting with you. It's as simple as this to install TeamViewer. We look forward to helping you with your issues.